Hello there, welcome to my channel and welcome back to Missy's Kitchen PEI. I'm so happy to have you here today. We are doing a part of the Christmas baking series, and I am going to be making a Skor bar today. These are amazing. This is something that my daughters and I found probably a couple years ago. Super simple to make. You will need your oven for this one, and very few ingredients. So let's get to it. I'll show you how I make my Skor bars. So what you are going to need to make these Skor bars are sweetened condensed milk, toffee pieces or Skor pieces, chocolate chips of your choice. I have milk chocolate chip, but whatever you like, you use in this recipe. I also have a box of Ritz crackers, and I have a pan here. I'm using a round pan, but you can go ahead and use an 8x8 pan. Just make sure you spray it and use some parchment paper in the bottom. It does make it a lot easier to take your squares out and cut them up after. So let's get into this recipe. I'll show you what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I have my Ritz crackers in a freezer bag. You can do this in a food processor if you want, but sometimes I just don't feel like pulling that out, or you know, somebody might not have a food processor, so we're gonna do it the old-fashioned way. I have one of my favorite rolling pins I got off Facebook Marketplace. It says Papa Loves Mama. It's an oldie, but it's a goodie. So we're gonna start rolling these out in the bag. Just, you want fine crumbs. You can have some chunks in there too if you want to. But I like making mine as fine as I can. I have quite a few rolling pins. I'm addicted to buying them. But this one I couldn't pass up. It has history, and it was a lovely lady that I bought it from. And it works so well. Just about there. Okay, so we're going to take these out of the bag, and you're going to need a mixing bowl, and we're just going to pour those in. I'm just going to get a spatula of my messy drawer. I do. And you need your condensed milk. I could eat this right out of the can. I could. And you're just going to pour that right on top of your Ritz crackers. Make sure you get it all out of there. Okay. And then I'm going to need my Skor pieces. My scissors. These have to be the dullest scissors that I own. Okay. And I'm just going to go ahead and put about half of the bag in, because you do want some for later for garnish. And then you're just going to mix this up. Super easy. And I do have my oven on 350. Make sure all of that is incorporated. I would say that's pretty good, and that's what you want to have. And then you're going to get your pan, and you're going to put it all in the bottom. And you're just going to press it all down. And these are going to go in the oven for 15 minutes. Okay. Get the excess off. And this is what it should look like when you're finished mixing and pressing into the bottom of the pan. So this will go in our oven at 350 for 15 minutes, and I will be back when that process is done. So we have the bottom of our squares out of the oven, and while it's hot, you're just gonna pour those chocolate chips on top. And you're just gonna move them. It is hot, so it should melt. You're just gonna keep moving with your spatula. Make sure you have chocolate chips everywhere. They're melting. Ooh, this smells so good. Just keep moving your spatula over the top. Don't press too hard. You don't want to press it right into the bottom of your square. But the chocolate is melting. You can also melt your chocolate chips if you wanted to in the microwave. This pan is hot. Keep going. Make sure you get your edges. Almost there. In the corner there. I don't want to miss any chocolate on top. It's exactly where we want it to go. Just about melted. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put my Skor pieces that we reserved. We're just going to sprinkle those all over the top. Cannot wait to taste these. Every last bit out of that bag. Okay, still very hot. So this is what it should look like when you're finished with the chocolate chips and Skor pieces. And then we're just gonna put this in the fridge for about 30 minutes and it should firm up by then. If I need a little bit longer, I'll let you know, but 30 minutes is usually how long it takes for everything to harden up. So we'll come back in 30 minutes and show you the final result. So here are our Skor bars. I had to put mine in the freezer for a little bit because my chocolate was not going to set, and we can't have that. So hopefully it is set. So let's just do a little cut. Yes. There it is. Lovely. Lovely. Let's give that a taste. Oh, this is so good. This almost tastes like a Skor bar, like the chocolate bar. Very, very good. I love doing it in a round pan because I really do like this shape. And let's have another bite. Mmm. So, so good. The bottom is soft, not too hard. Mmm. You can really taste the Skor pieces in the bottom as well. So, so, so good. I'm going to go and plate this, and then we will be back. I am so happy that I made these today, and I'm so happy that I could show you how to make our Skor bars. These are fantastic. They are not going to last long in this house, not until Christmas. I know that. They will probably be gone tonight. And if you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Until next time, bye for now.